Want to magically erase someone from your photos, making them perfect for your project? Let's do it quickly and easily using Canva. First, hop into Canva and click on Create a Design. You can choose a preset dimension or create a custom size that fits your needs. Now, upload the image you want to work with. You can drag and drop it directly into your canvas or use the Uploads tab on the left-hand side. Once your image is in place, click on it to select it. This will activate the editing options at the top. Look for the Edit Image button and click it. A panel of editing options will appear on the left. Next, find the background remover tool. It might be under Effects or directly visible, depending on your Canva version. Click on it. Canva will automatically detect the background and, in this case, remove the person too, leaving you with a clean image. If the results aren't exactly what you want, don't worry. Use the Erase and Restore brushes to fine-tune the removal. Erase will remove more of the image, and Restore will bring back parts that were accidentally removed. Simply adjust the brush size and carefully paint over the areas you want to edit. Once you're happy with the result, click Done. And don't forget to click the Apply button at the bottom to save your changes. Finally, download your person-free image by clicking the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file type and you're all set. Now you can impress everyone with your amazing image editing skills.